Ima jedan grad, veliki grad, a svaki grad umara čoveka. Evo sela naših starih, ukusa hrane, istorije tvoje. Evo mirisa bakinog hleba u srcu Beograda. Dođi i odmori se, brate, sestro, čedo moje divno. Srpsko Andrejevo Selo.
Hello, welcome my friendly
Thank you
people
so
of
much.
China.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too. I
Okay.
will be today your guide to show you this fantastic, wonderful Serbian Andrejas village, and I will show you how we plan this place
Thank you.
and how we start before some 13 years from nothing to this fantastic village. As for starting, take our traditional food, bread and salt. You can take a piece of bread
Okay.
and take small salt.
Thank you so much. Okay. Malo.
Yeah, malo.
Malo.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
this bread and the salt.
Yeah.
This is the tradition. This is the welcome first time.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Welcome to Serbia.
Very nice. Thank you.
So
Okay.
we can go further.
Okay. Please.
Come on.
Thank you.
We will start with these main gates. As you can see, all piece on this side was made from original wood.
Original. wood.
Our very
Oh.
old oak, yeah, old more than 200 years. Mikica Đokic is the owner of all this place.
Okay.
He was born in central part of Serbia, place Ivanjica. From that place in Serbia, they come to bring original objects from mountain village where he was born and settlement there. This house is first on this site,
Oh.
made 2011 years, and from this house was start to build every objects around. He thought that this will be a fantastic place for tourists to meet our traditional houses, to meet our traditional way of life, and especially food. Our traditional food, yes.
Serbia.
You will enjoy it after this
Thank you.
place on food. You will see. So I will show you entry in this house. So come go in.
Oh, okay.
As I said, this was the first building in that site and represent our traditional city's house from 19th century with chimney. You can see furniture from epocha, from
Epocha?
yeah, from 19th century,
Right.
and pictures with our traditional and historic mans.
Okay.
It's 21st century,
And,
and I want to show you something very interesting. Can we go there? Do you know what this means?
oh,
No?
I don't know.
I want to show you. This calls gusle.
Gusle.
Gusle. It's
the
absolutely traditional Serbian instruments made approximately Serbians start to make music on gusles before 500, 600 years.
500,
Yeah,
600.
yeah. It's made of wood.
But it's old.
Yeah.
It's old.
No. It's
new,
made
new
before,
one.
yeah, new one, but a fantastic piece. It's made before 20 years. Nothing.
20 year.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you like playing?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I think that cannot play. I will show you.
Fantastic. Okay.
It's our traditional instruments. As you can see, even bass, old socks. These socks are very old. It's from, as I say on beginning, Mikica's village, from Ivanica, a place Čunguri. It's men's socks, and I will, for beginning, represent my traditional clothes. Every Serbian, when met his guests, they start with traditional clothes. This calls jelek. Jelek. This calls shirts, košulja, belts, traditional belts, traditional trousers, and made for men, just for men, so high, and very unique traditional shoes called opanci. Just Serbian people on all over the world made and wear this type of shoes with these like horns. We are unique on all over the world against traditional clothes. So after we visit all sides, we will sit and I will show you our traditional food and to try. We can go further. We are now in garden, and this is our traditional kitchen from 19th century. Yeah, we can make lamb or pig or chicken, everything you want. As we say, from fire. Yeah, big fire. Yes, and traditional our objects from village.
This is a big family.
Yes, four big family. Yeah.
What's the
this is from 19th century, from village. Yeah, how you call horse? Da, kola, da. Ja, kako se kaže? Horse, da, zaprega, nema veze, okay. I want to show you something very, very interesting. This is unique objects from Ivanica, from mountain place. As you can see, it's all done from wood. It's original, made approximately 80-60, and in all piece, Mikica trans to from Ivanica, from mountain, trans there. Yeah, you can original wood. Yeah. And now, why I want to show you this, you can read below the door. It's read sauna.
Sauna.
Yeah, from from the space around, you watch in very old house, old 250 years. And when you go in, you have absolutely 21st century. I will show you.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. As you can see, from the outer space, it was an object from 19th century, and the inner space is absolutely 21st century, with sauna, with jacuzzi, and everything else.
Okay. Voila. It's okay. Okay, what's this?
Yeah, this is for making bread. You make a bread from flour and water and salt, and put in chimney to make.
Okay.
It's old, more than 100 years.
Oh, 100 years.
Yeah. This is one of the largest objects in the site. It's made, as I said, absolutely from unique oak wood, old more than 200 years. And as you can see, we have a place for rest, rooms, 2 beds, 3 beds, and more. On the first floor and the lower is absolutely same type of beds. Do you want to go in to see? Yeah? Okay. And this one is absolutely, as you can see, a unique and old house with roof, with walls, absolutely like museum.
Oh, yes. All of is old
Yes,
material.
yes, old material.
This is saw.
Yeah, this is saw for wood. Yeah, this is saw for wood.
Okay. This is this is.
Yeah, for soil, for changing soil.
Yeah. Okay.
And this too.
Oh. Oh, what's this? Open.
It's electric. It's electric.
Yeah.
By the, but it's fantastic.
Okay.
Looks like.
Yeah, okay.
As you can see, on this side is more than 20 objects.
Oh,
Yeah,
20.
20. Do you know what is this?
Okay.
It's very old, traditional Serbian house for the bees.
Oh, bees.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's older than 100 years.
100 years.
Yeah. And all these places are made for guests, as you can see, with chairs, with all stuffs. And we have a large picture which represents a traditional Serbian village with men and women in traditional clothes, and a village with ships, with our church. Yeah, it's tools for making a wood.
Oh,
Yeah, traditional tools, very, very old.
Oh, this is kind of
Yeah,
family.
yeah, for family, yeah. And you can see on the upper part, like a bamboos. It's a traditional way of making wood in Vojvodina.
Vojvodina.
Yeah, we are now in territory of Vojvodina, and absolutely traditional wood. Against, you can see this clay part of roof, made in mountain villages in Serbia.
Upstairs.
Yeah, upstairs is
Good
sledges.
view.
Sledges.
Sledges.
Yeah.
Good view.
Yeah. As you can see, it's fantastic done.
Okay, I'd like see the.
Okay. We can sit a while.
We can say the
Yeah, absolutely.
second. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey.
These sledges belongs to Mikica's grandfather. Yeah.
Oh.
In original.
Oh.
Yeah. Would you like maybe to drink some rakia, our traditional?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
Okay. Show you our traditional Serbian traditional drinks called rakia. Take.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Well, cheers. How you say on China cheers?
Ganbei.
Ganbei.
Ganbei. Ganbei.
Oh.
Nice. Thank you.
Every place are absolutely unique, as you can see. I want to show you something very interesting in this place. These objects, I don't know, do you know what this means?
Oh.
It's for making wool.
Oh.
Yeah, we call preslice, and just women's was work on preslice. This is a wooden plate. I will show you. On this place, you put wool from sheep, and with fingers you made a knit to making trousers, shoe, charape. Socks. Yeah. Thank you. And this is our traditional pieces from villages. Okay. Now I will show you our traditional basement space where we hiring and keeping traditional wine and food. You will see. This is our most unique basement.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, you know. Already this is a ham, pig's ham, and I want to show you all these drinks are from Mikita's family. They produce wines and rakias, and our traditional absolutely ham from mountain Regia. Rakia wine, absolutely unique and domestic. Okay. You can see there. It's a different type of rakia. From peach, from pear, from apple, and the other. We will try later everything. Yeah. This represents, as you know, our traditional village man. And made in Ivanjica. Yeah. We are now leaving the village's site, and there is a main entrance from to call a hotel, where we make on winters holidays, guests and everything else. We have there in this space 10 rooms, double or triple beds. So I will show you. Come in. Now I will show you our restaurant's place. As you can see, it's done like traditional kafana, our place where we meet the guests.
It's a very big place.
Yes. For weddings, for holidays.
How many seats over there?
About 150 persons, seats. As you can see, all walls are decorated with pictures with our traditional and historic persons. Our king Karađorđević, Karađorđe Petrović, our patriarch, Bishop Pavle, and some details from our traditional and heroic history.
Can you show me
Yeah. This is a bar. Yeah, with traditional drinks.
when?
Yeah, or rakia. This is a small part of our historical stuffs. This is from.
Show me this.
Yeah, I will try. I will try. No. You can take this saber from First World War. Yeah. That is original. And these guns from First World War. This is Mikita's grandfather.
Oh.
And this is our traditional historic
Logo.
yeah,
Logo.
double-eyed eagle and 4 S's. Part of dress original, so we can go further.
Nice. Oh. This is a
And
bar.
yeah, this is a bar. Do you want to drink something?
Yes, little. Yeah. Malo, rakia.
Malo, da, da.
Only this.
Okay.
Nećemo da reklamiramo rakiju.
Nemo okreni tako da.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, sure.
You're welcome. Oh, plum brandy, plum brandy. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I will show you now our kitchen where we make food, and that will be for this place. With a large fireplace, and this is a modern kitchen where we make food.
Okay.
It's okay. When you can rest after a long day with drinks and foods, we have in this place 21 rooms, yeah, with double and single beds, and they made in 21st century, so that called. Okay, go in. Just to try. This is.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's special.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can go upper
No,
if you want.
Oh, no. This.
You have a terrace.
Show you from outside.
Absolutely looks like original village in Ivanjica. So as you can see, that's objects Nikita's trans to this place.
走下来。OK。好。
This is a reproduction of our famous Paja Jovanović painters, yeah, from 19th century, but in looks in original, as they. So, after all day of stories and taking the movies from village, this is really, believe me, small part of our traditional food, which we have there in this site. For the beginning, I wish to give this plate. It calls Andreje's wooden plate, with our traditional meat from pigeon, pork, lamb, and the other. And first, cheers,
Okay.
and welcome to Serbia
Thank you
and
so much.
Serbian Andreje's village. After this place, we have salads. We have lamb, pork, and traditional Serbian meat sticks called cevapi.
Cevapi?
Yeah, cevapi. You must try. And our traditional bread.
Yes.
Also. So, beginning to eat
Yeah.
and
okay.
enjoy.
Thank you
Prijatno,
so much.
prijatno.
Thank you so much. Okay. Ganbei.
Kanbei,
Ganbei.
kanbei.
Ima jedan grad, veliki grad, a svaki grad umara čoveka. Evo sela naših starih, ukusa hrane, istorije tvoje. Evo mirisa bakinog hleba u srcu Beograda. Dođi i odmori se, brate, sestro, čedo moje divno. Srpsko Andrejevo Selo.